In front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Accounts and Sync. Then tap on this icon next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete. Enter your screen lock, tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!